Why has the development of an HIV vaccine been such a formidable challenge? This question has puzzled scientists for decades. The answer lies in the complexity of the virus itself. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, has an uncanny ability to mutate rapidly and evade the human immune system. This high mutation rate makes it difficult to develop a vaccine that can effectively target all strains of the virus. Furthermore, the virus has evolved mechanisms to dodge our immune defenses, an attribute that further complicates vaccine development. Historically, previous vaccine candidates have shown limited efficacy in clinical trials, underscoring the need for innovative approaches. But don't lose hope just yet. Recent advancements in vaccine research offer glimmers of hope for the future. One such breakthrough comes from mRNA vaccines. Inspired by the success of mRNA vaccines developed for COVID-19, researchers are exploring similar strategies for HIV. These vaccines provide genetic instructions to our cells, prompting them to produce antigens that trigger an immune response. This approach holds the promise of rapid vaccine development and the flexibility to adapt to new viral strains. Another recent development is the discovery of a new breed of antibodies known as broadly neutralizing antibodies, or bNAbs for short. These antibodies have the ability to target multiple strains of HIV and have demonstrated their potential in preventing and controlling HIV infection. Scientists now strive to develop vaccines that can stimulate the production of bNAbs in the human body. A third promising avenue of research is the development of viral vector vaccines. These vaccines employ harmless viruses to deliver HIV antigens into the body, thereby triggering an immune response. Researchers are investigating different viral vectors such as adenoviruses and vesicular stomatitis viruses, VSV, to develop HIV vaccines. These vaccines have shown encouraging results in animal studies and early-stage clinical trials. Speaking of clinical trials, several HIV vaccine candidates are currently under evaluation for their safety and efficacy. The Imbokodo and HVTN 702 trials are two large-scale phase 2b/3 trials, testing the efficacy of different vaccine candidates in preventing HIV infection. Preliminary results from these trials have been promising, although more data is needed before a vaccine can be widely deployed. Looking ahead, continued research into new vaccine technologies such as mRNA vaccines and viral vector vaccines holds the key to developing an effective HIV vaccine. Collaborative efforts between researchers, governments, and pharmaceutical companies are essential to accelerate progress in HIV vaccine development. Even if a preventive vaccine is not achieved, therapeutic vaccines that help control HIV infection and reduce the need for lifelong antiretroviral therapy would be a significant step forward. In conclusion, the development of an HIV vaccine has indeed been a challenge, but it's not an insurmountable one. The advancements in vaccine research and ongoing clinical trials are paving the way towards a future where HIV can be effectively controlled, if not completely eradicated, and that's a future worth fighting for.